Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Hera English School Online Teaching Standard 10th. Today inshallah in English subject we are going to see appreciation of the poem The Height of the Ridiculous, that is 4.4. It is located on page number 171 and 172. Okay. Let us first read out the whole poem and then we are going to make it into appreciation of the poem in a paragraph form. Okay. It is written by Oliver Wendell Holmes. Now he was born in the year 1809 and died in 1894. I wrote some lines once on a time, in wondrous merry mood, and thought, as usual, man would say, they were exceeding good. They were so queer, so very queer. I laughed as I would die. Albeit, in the general way, a sober man am I. I called my servant, and he came. How kind it was of him to mind a slender man like me, he of the mighty limb. These to the printer I exclaimed, and in my humorous way, I added as a trifling jest, there will be the devil to pay. He took the paper and I watched, and saw him peep within. At the first line, he read, his face was all upon the grin. He read the next, the grin grew broad, and shot from ear to ear. He read the third, and a chuckling noise I now began to hear. The fourth he broke into a roar. The fifth his waistband split. The sixth he burst 5 buttons and tumbled in a fit. 10 days and nights, with sleepless night, I watched that wretched man, and since I never dare to write as funny as I can. Okay, this completes the poem here. Now we are going to see it into a paragraph form. Appreciation of the poem Height of Ridiculous, written by Oliver Wendell Holmes. The poem The Height of Ridiculous by Oliver Wendell Holmes is a humorous poem written for enjoyment, with plenty of funny expressions. The main purpose of the poet is to simply entertain his audience. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABCB. There are many figures of speech, but the one that stands out is transferred epithet. In the line, 10 days and nights with sleepless eyes, the adjective sleepless should be for the man and not for the eye. This is a humorous poem. The special feature of the poem are the expressions that indicate funny moments. The reader forms a mental picture and enjoys the poem. My favorite line is the sixth, he burst 5 buttons. I like this line because I can imagine the way the man must have been laughing till he burst the buttons on his coat. I like the poem because it is a light, simple, and entertaining poem. Okay, so here it ends. That is, the title of the poem is given, the poet's name, the rhyming scheme, the figure of speech used, and the central idea, and also the favorite lines of that poem. So, here we understand how to write appreciation of the poem The Height of Ridiculous. We are going to see one more poem, its appreciation, that is 4.1. A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever. It is written by John Keats. He was born in the year 1795 and died in 1821. Now let us first read out the poem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness, but still will keep a bower quiet for us and asleep, full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Therefore, on every morrow are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of disburdens of the inhuman dearth, of noble natures of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and over-darkened ways, made for us our searching, yes, in spite of all, some shape of beauty moves away the pall from our dark spirits, such the sun, the moon, trees old and young, sprouting a shady boon for simple ship, and such are daffodils. With the green world they live in and clear rills, that for themselves a cooling convert make, gainst the hot season, the mid-forest break, rich with a sparkling of fair musk rose blooms, and such too is the grandeur of the dooms we have imagined for the mighty dead, all lovely tales that we have heard or read, an endless fountain of immortal drink, pouring unto us from the heavens' brink. Nor do we merely feel this essence for one short hour. No, even as the trees that whisper round, a temple becomes soon. Dear as the temple's self, so does the moon. The passion posy, glorious, infinite, haunt us till they become a cheering light unto our souls and bonds to us so fast that whether there be shine or glooms overcast, they always must be with us or we die. It is written by John Keats. So we are going to see the appreciation of this poem in a paragraph form. The poem A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever is written by John Keats, is taken from longer poem Endymion based on Greek mythology. The important things that the poet tells us is that beautiful things gives unending pleasure and can change our lives. The rhyming scheme of the poem is AABB. That is, the poem is written in rhyming couplets. There are many figures of speech, but the one that stands out is epigram. The line, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever," is a pithy saying expressing the idea of beauty in a clear way. The special features of the poem are the many lines containing imaginary beauty. The reader forms mental pictures and enjoys the beauty of the poem, that of the nature. My favorite lines in the poems are, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever." I like these lines because I feel that it is very true and that anything beautiful in nature can give us never ending joy. Though the poem is difficult one, I like it because it makes us think about the nature. Okay? So here we end the appreciation. This can give you 5 marks. Okay, so inshallah we'll continue next time. Jazakallah.